Hi, I want to show my latest online purchases from this brand called Steps New York. First up is this gorgeous royal blue blazer style wrap dress silhouette in a rose print in a crepe fabric. It retails for about $59. Everything I got are in a size large, which is about a size 8 to 10 according to their size guideline. It's a perfect look for a night out. Next, I got their Aquila Blaze palazzo pants in abstract print. It retails for about like $39. It's very lightweight, flows well when you walk, and it fits amazing. It has an elastic waist with a belt and a fitted leg on the bottom. I'm about 5'1" and they have a decent length to me. These pants are perfect for a statement piece for a vacation, day, or a night out. And last but not least, there's an orange plaid mini length romper that retails for about $29. It has an X back. It has a stylish halter neckline. It's honestly a little bit shorter in the back than I anticipated being, but I'll probably make my own alterations to it to make it, work for me, make me feel more comfortable. But it's truly a perfect for a vacation getaway, a night out or day out. I've included links to all these great pieces in the comments below.